Good morning from downtown Almaty. I've headed across the city to an older part of the town and I'm on the hunt for a Soviet mosaic. I've gone full Mr. Bald style today, so I'm doing some Soviet adventurising. And right behind me, you can probably see that building there. Let's take a closer look. So this is a late Soviet mosaic depicting some cosmonauts. Unfortunately, the trees are in the way somewhat, but a little bit of history here in Almaty. So in amongst these modern buildings and all these New Year decorations that are still up in February, behind me is quite an incredible old Soviet building. Look at this.
Sizlerдің бәрі айтылды, арғығағын өзің ойлап пайымда. Айтылмасын шын сезім ойынға.
You don't see many of these even in England, and here's a bit of a JDM classic here in Almaty. I can't remember which skyline it is. This is something I wanted to show you. So everywhere in the city you'll see these signs outside apartments. As 2024 had so many earthquakes, and quite severe ones at that, they've put these signs up outside apartments to tell people where to go in the case of an emergency. If that is an earthquake, I'm moving. Keys, can't feel anything. I don't speak Russian, so I don't know what he's saying. I think that's a drill. I assume that's a drill, I'm not going to worry.
vasiyet. Avizxon ağa, yer sanjar,